Hello everyone. So in this session basically we are going to learn how to create live class. So this is the admin account basically. So admins and teachers both can create the live classes. So if your admin wants to, like if you want to create the classes beforehand for the teachers, you can do that from your portal. You just have to click on live class, click on add live class, enter the topic name, enter the date and the time, from time and to time. You can select the faculty for whom you are creating the class. You can select the moderator. If you are going to moderate the class, you can select yourself. You can click on next. You can click on the course for which you are creating the class. You can click on the student's name if you are taking individual classes. If you want to take the class for whole batch, you can click on select all. Send notification basically helps you to send the notification, send the details about the class. Okay, at what time the class will be there and the students have to join, etc. Private access basically helps you to like when you invite the students by or the guest users by email ID, then they can join, not by the link when you share from the live classes. Okay. Third is the access enable lobby. So all the students will be waiting in the lobby area. They will not be joined in the class automatically until and unless the teacher joins the class and gives them the permission. So this is the process of creating the class, and you have to click on submit. Now click on live class. You can see all the upcoming classes over here. You can send notification to the students. You can send push notifications to the students regarding the class reminder. Okay. So now I will show you how to basically start the class. So this is how the class is created from the admin portal. But to start the class, you have to log in through the teacher portal. So let's log in through the teacher portal. We'll enter username and password for the teacher. So this is our teacher portal basically. So as you can see, there's an option for live class. The class which we scheduled in the admin portal is available over here. From here, you can just start the class directly. If the teacher wants to create a class on their own, so they can also do, they have to just click on the add live class and repeat the same process which I explained in the admin side. Thank you.